Hi, this is Osama Amrani. I will talk about space in this video. Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and wondered how we, a species bound by gravity, managed to break free and venture into the cosmos? The story of space exploration is a tale of human ingenuity, determination, and a thirst for knowledge that transcends earthly boundaries. Let's go back to the beginning. It was in the year 1957 when humanity took its first step beyond the confines of our planet. A metallic sphere, barely the size of a beach ball, but carrying the hopes and dreams of a species, was launched into space. That sphere was Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, sent on its journey by the Soviet Union. Sputnik's beep 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 signal, transmitted from the cold vacuum of space, marked the start of a new era. It ignited an intense rivalry, the space race, between two superpowers, the Soviet Union and the United States. This competition spurred innovation, technological advancements, and an accelerated push towards the stars. Just 12 years later, in 1969, the climax of the space race was reached. Neil Armstrong, an astronaut from the United States, took one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, setting foot on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. This monumental achievement was not just a victory for a nation, but a triumph for humanity as a whole. Our journey into space, however, was just beginning. The lunar landing was not the end, but rather a launch pad for further exploration. It paved the way for space shuttles, space stations, interplanetary probes, and even dreams of interstellar travel. From the first satellite to the moon landing, mankind's journey into space has been nothing short of extraordinary. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. We continue to reach out for the stars, driven by our innate curiosity and the unending quest for knowledge. As we part the curtains of the cosmos, who knows what wonders we might uncover next? But our exploration didn't stop at the moon, far from it. Humanity's thirst for knowledge propelled us to create sophisticated vehicles for space travel, such as space shuttles. These reusable spacecraft were revolutionary, acting as a bridge between the Earth and the infinite cosmos. They carried astronauts, satellites, and essential supplies to orbiting space stations, facilitating the continuation of invaluable research. And let's talk about those space stations. These are our outposts in the void, floating laboratories where humans can live and work for extended periods. The most famous of these is the International Space Station, or ISS. Launched in 1998, the ISS is a multinational project, a testament to our ability to come together as a species in pursuit of knowledge. Astronauts from around the globe live and work here, conducting experiments that cannot be done on Earth and contributing to our understanding of the effects of long-term space habitation on the human body. But what about the parts of space we can't reach with manned missions? That's where space probes come into play. Unmanned and built to last, these intrepid explorers have been sent to the farthest corners of our solar system and beyond. The Mars rovers, for instance, have given us a ground-level view of the Martian landscape, searching for signs of past or present life on the red planet. And then there's the Voyager missions, two spacecraft that have been traveling outwards since the 1970s. These probes carry golden records with sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. A time capsule of humanity flung into the cosmos. These shuttles, stations, and probes are the tools that have expanded our reach into the universe. They've allowed us to study distant worlds, understand our place in the cosmos, and dream about what's yet to be discovered. These missions have given us unprecedented insights into our solar system and beyond. Yet, our solar system is but a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe. Take a moment to consider the vastness of the cosmos. Our planet Earth, the only place we've ever called home, is nestled within the outer spirals of the Milky Way galaxy. This galaxy, a swirling mass of stars, dust, and dark matter, is so large that light, traveling at a whopping 186,000 miles per second, takes 100,000 years to cross it from one end to the other. But the Milky Way is not alone. It's just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Imagine that, 2 trillion galaxies, each teeming with billions of stars, planets, and who knows what else. One of our closest galactic neighbors is the Andromeda galaxy. It's a bit larger than the Milky Way, and is speeding towards us at about 67 miles per second. But don't worry, any potential cosmic collision is still about 4 billion years away. Then there's the Orion cluster, a group of galaxies that includes both the Milky Way and Andromeda. This cluster is part of the Virgo supercluster, which itself is a member of the Laniakea supercluster. It's like a cosmic Matryoshka doll, with our Earth at the very heart. Away from these local groups, the universe expands into realms we've barely begun to understand. There are voids so large and empty, they defy comprehension. There are celestial bodies emitting signals we can't yet decipher. And at the very edge of our scientific understanding, the universe continues, seemingly without end. In this grand cosmic theater, our solar system, our galaxy, even our supercluster, are but tiny pieces in a cosmic jigsaw puzzle of staggering complexity and beauty. As we continue to explore, each new discovery only serves to highlight how much we have yet to learn. The universe is a place of endless mysteries, waiting for us to unravel. We're just beginning to scratch the surface of what's out there. So, what does the future hold for space exploration? Our gaze now turns towards the horizon, where the future of space travel beckons with a promise of new adventures and discoveries. One of the most anticipated milestones is the colonization of Mars. The red planet has been in our sights for decades, and we are closer than ever before to setting foot on its rocky surface. This isn't just about planting a flag and heading home, but about establishing a permanent human presence on another world. Imagine a bustling Martian city, where people live, work and play, just as they do on Earth. But Mars is only the beginning. The vastness of space offers infinite possibilities. We're talking about intergalactic travel here, voyages to distant galaxies that could take centuries or even millennia. The challenges are enormous, but so are the rewards. It's a prospect that could redefine our understanding of the universe and our place within it. However, these grand visions are not just the realm of science fiction. They are being turned into reality by the likes of SpaceX and Blue Origin, private companies that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. With reusable rockets, lunar landers, and spacecraft capable of carrying passengers, these pioneers are ushering in a new era of space travel. And then there's the search for extraterrestrial life. The question of whether we're alone in the universe has tantalized us for centuries. The future of space exploration could well hold the answer. As we venture further into the cosmos, we increase our chances of discovering signs of life elsewhere, whether it's a microbial organism on Mars or a complex civilization in a distant galaxy. The future of space exploration is not just about reaching new worlds, but also about broadening our perspectives, pushing the limits of human ingenuity, and fulfilling our innate desire to explore the unknown. The final frontier may not be so final after all. We've come a long way since the launch of Sputnik 1. From that tiny beeping metal sphere, we've journeyed to the moon, sent probes to the furthest reaches of our solar system, and even landed rovers on Mars. We've built space stations, shuttles, and laboratories, each one an impressive testament to human ingenuity and the unstoppable force of curiosity. Our quest for knowledge has led us to peek beyond our own solar system into the vast cosmic expanse of the universe. We've gazed upon the swirling arms of the Milky Way, traced the distant outline of the Andromeda galaxy, and marveled at the sheer size and diversity of the Orion cluster and local groups. Through our telescopes, we've witnessed stars being born and dying, galaxies colliding and creating spectacular cosmic fireworks, and we've even glimpsed the mysterious invisible forces of black holes. We've taken our first tentative steps towards understanding the intricacies of the universe, and each new discovery only fuels our desire to learn more. The future of space travel is bursting with possibilities. We stand on the brink of a new era, where intergalactic travel may become a reality, and the dream of setting foot on distant planets is closer than ever. With every new advancement in technology, we inch closer to answering some of the most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? What lies beyond the edge of the cosmos? The journey so far has been nothing short of extraordinary, but this is just the beginning. As we continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge and technology, we're not just exploring space, but also the limitless potential of our own species. We've come a long way since the launch of Sputnik 1, but our journey is far from over. As we continue our journey into the cosmos, who knows what wonders we'll discover next?